Welcome to the series around total cost of ownership in SAP LeanIX. I guess you're aware that a lot of architecture decisions are actually taken based on gut feeling, but not really tangible cost insights if one way forward is better than another. And that's something we would like to change. There was a recent extension in SAP LeanIX that we can also capture the total cost of ownership and reflect it also from multiple dimensions. Meaning that we're not only looking into a functional fit or a technical fit or what is the next step in moving towards the cloud, but we would like to create transparency around cost in order to take a data-driven decision where we can then rely on moving forward and also oversee that we are moving in the right direction. So please join me in this series. We will have a couple of recordings of how we can enable total cost of ownership in SAP LeanIX. This series is structured around 8 recordings in a very pragmatic way forward. We just heard about the why TCO is the missing link. In the next recording, I would like to go deeper into what really TCO means in context of SAP LeanIX and how it's structured. And then, of course, we would like to see how we activate the extension that we can then also capture the specific aspects of TCO. Once we have done this on an application level, we can then also look from a business capability point of view or an organizational point of view that we understand which part of the organization is causing which total cost of ownership, but also from, like you see, the capability perspective. The power triangle, which I would like to introduce, is very much of importance because here we exactly include now the missing part of TCO in assessments which we have done in the past, like the time assessment or the business criticality assessment. And with the help of the TCO dimension, we get even further insights in order to, for example, find some quick wins to fund maybe a transformation that you will see in one of the recordings towards the end, before we then close with the governance and the tracking. So once we have defined our way forward, we would like to track it also if we are going the right direction. But we can also establish here a governance layer moving from an initial analysis to a more TCO discipline. So please follow me here with the different recordings which I will share over the next couple of days.